Okay, All-Terrain Cleaning Solutions. Out here doing a dryer vent clean on a 2-story, Go River, California. So we always want to have access to the inlet and the outlet. And as we're kind of brushing from the top down, we ran into a clog. But before we actually do any dryer vent cleaning, we always want to assess and inspect. And in this case, this one wasn't getting any airflow. And this is the reason why. So this stuff, filled it all up right here. So for the Supreme Clean, 916-549-5255. Visit us at allterrain.com. You never know if this is in your house or not. And it'd be a good idea to get that taken care of. Thank you.